This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and in this video I'll show how you can change the obstacle avoidance action. Or to put it in simpler terms, change your drone's behavior once the obstacle avoidance protocol is on. So once it senses an obstacle, what the drone will do. So let's start. In the beginning, you will obviously need to enter the DJI Fly interface. Now open settings by tapping at those three dots you'll find at the top right corner of your display. Now select the safety section, and here the very first parameter you can adjust is, well, the one that we are looking for, obstacle avoidance action. Now you can switch it off entirely, so once the obstacle avoidance is on, the drone won't do anything. You can also make it so that it will automatically brake to avoid collision, or bypass the obstacle if possible to also avoid collision. I guess I would recommend that you set it to brake, since it's probably the safest option here, but once again, you do you. Anyway, that's how you change the obstacle avoidance action. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.